Hello dear viewers, in today's video, we will dive deep into one of the most mysterious and complex concepts of the universe, time. For thousands of years, philosophers, scientists, and thinkers have pondered the nature and functioning of time. Especially after Einstein's work, these discussions have taken on a new dimension. What is time? Is it observable? Is it absolute or relative? We will address these questions together. The ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle defined time as the measure of motion. For him, time is the number of changes between before and after. Time exists everywhere and in every system in the same way. It is not independent of change, but neither is it change itself. The Christian theologian Augustine defines time as something created by God and something that flows. According to him, time can only be measured in the present moment, and the past can exist in memory, and the future in anticipation. Augustine's view treats time from a more subjective perspective. Islamic philosophers, especially Kindi, were influenced by Aristotle when discussing time and the beginning of the universe. Kindi emphasizes that time cannot be infinite and the finitude of the material world. This view suggests that time has a beginning and is not infinite. Galileo corrected Aristotle's mistakes by observing that objects of different weights fall at the same speed. Newton, on the other hand, argued that time is absolute while justifying the laws of motion. According to him, time is independent of space and is a universal parameter. With his theories of general and special relativity, Einstein proved that time is not absolute, but relative. Especially in special relativity, he showed that the speed of light is constant and the same for all observers. This shows that time and space can change according to the observer's frame of reference. Quantum mechanics treats time differently from classical physics. Here, time is used as a parameter and determines the sequence of events. However, the observability of time in quantum mechanics is still controversial. The concept of a time operator has not yet been clarified. Quantum tunneling is the process by which a particle can pass through a barrier even though it lacks energy. How time passes and is measured in this process is still under investigation. Tunneling is a phenomenon that does not exist in classical physics but can be observed in the quantum world. Interpretations of the nature of time raise the question of whether it is absolute or relative. While Newton and classical physics argue that time is absolute, Einstein and modern physics argue that time is relative. Human perception sees time as a coordinate that flows forward continuously. But this perception does not always correspond to physical reality. Quantum mechanics and general relativity theories show that time has a perceptual aspect and can be related to consciousness. The incompatibility between quantum mechanics and general relativity spurs new research into the nature of time. The quantum theory of gravity attempts to unify these two grand theories and could lead to a deeper understanding of time. Today, physicists and philosophers are exploring new interpretations of time. These interpretations suggest that time may not only be a measurement tool, but also a fundamental property of the universe. In today's video, we discuss historical, scientific, and philosophical perspectives on the concept of time. Time is still an unsolved and mysterious subject, but science and philosophy continue to work together to solve this mystery. If you liked our video, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.